here. Hey, I'm glad that you are working so hard in your reading. Today, we're going to talk about a strategy that we've talked about already, pointing towards while we read. But I just want to give you a little more advice on how we point to words when we read and kind of some tips about things we need to be careful with. So, boys and girls, I'm going to use this book today that's Panda Bear, What Do You See? Right? Which is a pattern book. But we have to be really careful that we just don't read and point and not match our pointing with the words we're saying. So we want to make sure that we are doing one word every time we point. Panda Bear, what do you see? Right? And so, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how sometimes we can get easily mixed up a little bit when we read if we're not pointing to the words carefully enough. Okay. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit. There we go. I'm going to show you how I'm pointing here. I'm trying to get it right in front of the camera. There we go. Panda Bear, what do you see? See, boys and girls, I'm being very careful to do one point for each word. I see a bald eagle soaring by me. Now, boys and girls, what can happen is this. What can happen is that some words are longer, like soaring. It sounds like two words. And sometimes when you say soaring, you might point at two words, but soaring is one word. So even though it's a longer word, it gets 1 point. Because if I say soaring, this word is by. It's not soaring. So you would run out of words. Let me show you how that would happen. I see a bald eagle soaring by. Whoops. I used soaring. I used up a word, but this was by. So make sure you're doing one word for each point, because then you might run out of words and you're not pointing at the right word that you're reading. Ready? Bald eagle, what do you see? I see a water buffalo charging by me. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how I could do it wrong. I'm going to show you how I could make a mistake. So let's say the words water buffalo charging, like I made that 5 words. So what if I said, I see a water buffalo? Uh-oh, I'm done with words, and I still have to say charging at me. Oh, dear. So boys and girls, make sure some words are short, some words are longer, and they sound like 2 or 3 words, but really they're one. Water buffalo charging by me. So sometimes your finger has to go to little words fast, and sometimes if it's a longer word, it stays there for all the word parts. Look at this. Water buffalo, what do you see? I see a spider monkey swinging by me. Spider monkey, what do you see? I see a green sea turtle swimming by. Oh, I ran out of words. Swimming is one by me. Gotta make sure that finger can't go too fast. Green sea turtle, what do you see? I see a Marconi penguin strutting by me. Marconi penguin, what do you see? I see a sea lion splashing by me. Maybe I said that wrong. Maybe it's a macaroni penguin. I'm not sure. Here we go. Sea lion, what do you see? I see a red wolf sneaking by me. Make sure one word per your finger taps. Red wolf, what do you see? I see a whooping crane flying by me. Boys and girls, this is kind of a fun book to imagine the characters moving, right? Like a movie in our mind. You can imagine the birds flying by. Whooping crane, what do you see? I see a black panther strolling by me. Black panther, what do you see? I see a dreaming child watching over me. Dreaming child, what do you see? I see a panda bear, a bald eagle, a water buffalo, a spider monkey, a green sea turtle, a marconi or macaroni penguin, a sea lion, a red wolf, a whooping crane, and a black panther, all wild and free. That's what I see. All right, boys and girls, I'm excited for you to work on this today. Really reading carefully. And did you see me when I make a mistake? I went back and reread it. So if your finger finishes the words and you run out of words and you still have things to say, then you need to go back and make sure you're only saying one word per every time your finger moves. So don't say a word and do 2 or 3 words for one word. I hope that makes sense. All right. Good luck with reading today, boys and girls. Good job.